So if you want to upload a video to your Google Drive and share a link to it, well, there's an easy way for you to do this. So what do you need to do? Well, first things first, access your Google Drive account. So go to drive.google.com, log in. Now, in order for you to upload a file, you just need to choose one of the following options. Now, typically, in order for you to upload, you just need to upload a file. You want to click on New at the top left, and you want to go and choose the file upload option. And just choose the video that you want to upload here. But the easiest and direct way for you to do that is you just need to open up a folder from your Windows PC and drag that video inside Google Drive, and that should basically upload your video. Now, this is the quickest and honestly the fastest way to do it. And once you have this uploaded, as you can see, it's done. You'll know it's done if it does have a check next to it, but you just need to look for it. So it's going to be under the B section here. So this video here. So there's a video I have. So how do you share this to other people? Because by default, it's going to be hidden to other people. So you want to go and just click on the three dot option at the right side here. You want to go and choose the share button. Now, let's go and click on share. Now, with the sharing functionalities here, the thing with files that you upload here on Google Drive, they are protected and restricted with restrictions. So by default, only people with access can open the link. So even though you share a link to that person or to whoever you want to share this video here, as long as you don't add them via the people groups here, as you can see, you have like people with access. So if you don't add them with people with access, they won't be able to access this video if you don't add them, or even though you sent the actual link for it. So yeah, so you just need to add their email address in here. So go and just type in their email address, select them, and once you selected them, you could go and choose notify, add a message if you want, and you can go and just choose either viewer, commenter, or editor. So they have their own rules here. So if you just want the person to view it, choose viewer. Commenter, if you only want them to comment, if you want to give them some comments, enable their options to comment on the video or file. And if you want to allow them to edit the file itself, you can go and choose editor. For now, let's go and choose this one. Click on send. And once it's actually sent, they just need to accept that, and they should be able to start accessing the file. Now, let's go and click on share again. Click on share. But yeah, as you can see, the user is now added in here. Now, what you need to do is you want to go and click on copy link. But obviously, they will be notified about the file itself, so they will already they would have access to the link itself. But just in case, you just need to copy the link here and basically send that to the person that you want to give access to. Now, another way for you to give access is by changing the general access here. So anyone with the link. So if you choose this one, you don't need to manually edit who access the file. As long as they have the link for the file, they would automatically have access to it. But it's a loose connection, so anyone can who has the link can basically access the file. So like, for example, like someone you don't know, like for example your friend shared this to another person, well, you won't know that they actually share this and they will be able to access the file. So it's kind of dangerous some ways, but if you're good with that, you can just use this one, click on copy link, and just start sharing it whatever way you want. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.